It's April, and I love this time of year. Where I live, that means everything's blooming out, the weather is turning beautiful, and we're going from winter into spring into summer, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, it also means tax season. Tax day is officially April 15th. That's the big deadline. And for a lot of people, tax season is exciting because you get a tax refund, but for an entrepreneur, tax season is something you definitely dread. Now, let me just confess. I should be filing quarterly, but I don't. Instead, I just pay a penalty every year for not filing quarterly. And terrible, I know. But I'm a master procrastinator. It's terrible. And yes, I do my own books, which I know other people are still going to say is crazy. But I prefer to do my own books because I like to have complete control, I like it done right, I like to know what my numbers are. I do have a CPA and a financial advisor and a great banker. And I do get help from all of these people. Of course, my CPA actually files my taxes. I just like to actually do my own books. Now that said, I do hire my children to do data entry and things like that, because if you hire your own children, that's actually tax-free labor up to a certain amount of money. At any rate, yeah, I procrastinate and it's bad, so it takes me sometimes weeks to get everything entered in. I actually like the work. I love doing the data entry, I love working with QuickBooks, I love doing accounting. I actually did that for a living, both at my last job and of course with my first business. Not only did I do QuickBooks for my business, but when I had my web dev company and did computer training, I was also an Intuit professional advisor. So I love QuickBooks. I've been using it for the entire 15 years that I've been in business. Absolutely love it. It integrates with so many other things, including PayPal and just lots of other stuff, so it's a really great program. I was using a seriously older version of it up until last year when I finally got QuickBooks Pro 2011. Yay me, I know. But like I said, I'm a serious procrastinator. So here we are, it's April 2nd. The tax deadline is April 15th. And I'm still madly entering data so that I can get over to my CPA. Mind you, I've never filed an extension, so for me it's a very real deadline. I know there are options, but I like to get it done and keep it done and stay ahead of it and get my taxes paid because, man, that is really not something you want to drag out or get super behind on. So yes, this week I would much rather be outdoors. I would love to be playing in my flowers. I would love to be taking a walk, laying in the sun, whatever. It is absolutely gorgeous here in Tennessee. Unfortunately, I'm going to be stuck getting this stuff ready and getting it off to the IRS. So anyway, I would love to hear from you. If you're a business owner, do you procrastinate? Do you outsource it? How do you handle it? Are you like rushing at the last minute? Do you file extensions? Or do you actually look forward to tax season?